Yay.
Wow, congratulations.
Oh my god.
Really?
Oh my god, guys. I can't believe it. I'm not able to process this right now because I went to go and comb my hair and उतने देर में हो गया. So stupid. Guys, I'm so confused right now. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूँ. मैं इधर से उधर घूम रही हूँ. I'm just so, oh my god. You know what happened? सुबह से I have been checking my phone. Always refresh कर रही हूँ कि अभी होगा 100K. And मैं रिकॉर्ड करने वाली थी कि अब मैं रिकॉर्ड करूँगी जैसे ये होगा. And then I saw कि 994 पे आ गया है, 99,994 पे आ गया है. So I put my phone to record. And then 10-15 मिनट से मैं रिफ्रेश किए जा रही हूँ, कुछ चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा है. तो मैंने सोचा कि अरे वीडियो होगा, थोड़ा सा बाल झाड़ लेते हैं, लिप बाम लगा लेते हैं, सुंदर दिखते हैं. और इसी चक्कर में 100K हो गया और मैं गायब. Stupid. My mom was calling me कि अरे हो गया, come and see. And then I ran back to the room and then that's the video that you guys saw. And तब से I'm just like मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं करूँ क्या. I so wish you guys were here and पार्टी करते मिलके साथ में पार्टी करते. It would have been so much fun. But yeah, तब तक you know I am just reading all your comments on YouTube and I feel so happy. Let me read out some of my favorite comments. Okay. So I posted this picture. As soon as I got the 100K, I got excited and I was like, photos lete hain. So I went and took some photos and I was so happy. And yeah, then I posted this on I posted this on YouTube. And you guys have already started commenting. So let me share some of my favorite comments. Vidhi6353, she's saying, congratulations, Sidhu, you deserve it. You're hardworking. Party kab doge? यार as soon as this corona is over party करेंगे. Okay, please मुझे भी करना है. I'm so missing it today. I wish you guys were here with me. Party तो बनती है. Yes, you will get your silver play button soon. Oh my god, I can't wait for that. Congratulations once again. Thank you. Araina Sukhija says, woohoo! I have been following you since when you had half of the subscribers that you have right now. Love you and keep working hard and never give up on whatever your dream is. Thank you so much. So many people messaged me today saying we have been there from the very beginning and today you're at 100K. So that means so much. So thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Mugda Bardwa says, oh wow, many congratulations. Chalo, ab 1 million family banate hain. Yes guys, and let's do this faster. ये 100K में मेरी वजह से काफ़ी टाइम लग गया क्योंकि मैं बीच में गायब हो गई थी. बट दिस टाइम लेट्स गेट 1 million फास्ट गाइज. सिल्वर प्ले बटन की अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो प्लीज अपलोड करना. यस ऑब्वियसली गाइज, मैं आप लोगों को सब कुछ बताती हूँ, ये तो बनता है. एज सून एज आई गेट इट वी विल डू एन अनबॉक्सिंग. योर कॉमेंट्स आर सो स्वीट. आई फील लाइक आई एम हैविंग अ पार्टी राइट नाउ जस्ट रीडिंग ऑल योर कॉमेंट्स. Cook with me says, I am also happy because I am also in that family. Exactly, this is your guys' celebration as much as it is mine, and you're the ones who subscribed to me and shared my videos and liked my videos and जो मैंने बोला कि like करो, share करो, subscribe करो, bell button दबाओ, सब कुछ किया आप लोगों ने. So thank you so much. I'm just so excited guys. I don't know what to do. मैं घर से बाहर नहीं जा सकती हूँ. कोई ना, डांस पार्टी तो बनता है, डांस तो करेंगे हम. मैं खुद कर लूंगी अकेले रूम में. So अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं. दिन भर से मैंने एक्चुअली कुछ खाया नहीं है. एक्साइटमेंट में मैं ऐसे ही, इस एक्साइटमेंट के चक्कर में आई डोंट नो पता नहीं क्या हो गया, भूख ही नहीं लग रही थी. आई जस्ट डिडंट ईट एनीथिंग एंड नाउ अब जोर से भूख लगी है. सो माई फैमिली डिसाइडेड कि लेट्स हैव अ पिज़्ज़ा पार्टी. सो वी हैव जस्ट ऑर्डर्ड सम पिज़्ज़ाज एंड वो आने वाला है और फिर मैं खाऊंगी. ये पिज़्ज़ाज हियर गाइस. Guys, my parents got me a cake. I'm so excited. Let's open it and see. Oh my god. It looks so yummy. It's full chocolate. This is so cute. I can't wait to cut this, guys. I feel like ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरा बर्थडे है फिर से. मतलब I'm so excited. Should I make a wish?
Yes.
make wish कर हाँ
Yay! 100,000 zeros बढ़ता जाए उसके ऊपर 6 के बाद 9
100K. Thank you. Hi guys. So this is a different day. Actually ये मैं उसी दिन बनाने वाली थी, but उस दिन बहुत कुछ hectic हो गया. I think I needed to calm down a little bit and then shoot this part. So yeah, as you guys can see, it was a great day. It was a lot of fun. And before ending this vlog, I just really needed to say something to you guys. I really want to say thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, I just want to say I'm so thankful and so grateful for the Nakhra fam. Honestly, all of this that has happened is because of your support. You guys are literally the reason that I get up every day and make videos, because I'm just so excited to create content for you guys. You know, when I was deciding to come back to YouTube, I was so nervous. Honestly guys, I was really nervous because I didn't know कि if I put videos now, इतने दिनों के बाद, 2 साल के बाद, is anybody going to watch them? Is anybody going to like them? Will anybody even remember who was Nakhrebaz, who was Stuti? But you guys made it such a nice welcome back you gave me. It made me feel so comfortable. It made me feel really happy. The way that you guys engage with me, the way you respond to my videos, it makes me so happy. You know, because of you guys, now I realize I can, you know, experiment more. I can try different kind of content because you guys are so open to watching all kinds of things. You know, last week when I posted my honest morning routine, I was a little bit, you know, I didn't know कि किसी को ये पसंद आएगा कि नहीं. Most people are used to seeing the normal morning routine. But your comments, oh my god, it was so, yeah, it felt so good because I was like, yes, you guys get my sense of humor. And I'm so happy, you know, I'm so glad that I've found an audience who understands me so well and who supports me and encourages me to try new things. So yeah, our next journey is going to be to 500K and to 1 million, and hopefully that can happen faster than 100K. Just gonna keep making new videos, create new content, and yeah, you guys keep sharing your ideas, your feedback, your whatever advice you have, and I'm always here, I'm always reading, I'm always listening. So thank you so much. And before I go, I want to sing a song for you guys. So I know if you guys have seen my Q&A video, I sang a song for you there. Again, I would now like to sing another song for you guys. I know कि मैं अच्छा नहीं गाती हूँ, okay? नहीं, I'm very bad. And you can skip this part if you're just like, क्या हो रहा है? But I really want to do this for you guys. It's my 100K प्यार and love to you guys, okay? शायद कभी न कह सकूं मैं तुमको, कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद मेरे ख्याल में तुम एक दिन मिलो मुझे कहीं पे हम शायद, जो तुम न हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम न हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, ना चाहिए तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं, जो तुम न हो तो हम भी हम नहीं. So thank you guys once again. I will definitely do some kind of a meet and greet or a giveaway once this pandemic ka situation calms down thoda and things become safe. We'll definitely do this, okay guys? So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit like, hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. And अगर आप यहाँ नए हो तो आइए subscribe करके जाइए. There's another fun video which will be coming up on Friday. So until then, keep smiling, keep shining, and I'll see you next time. Bye!